Here is it for our practicum 2. We have here for our row, we have our respondent, and we have so many respondent, of course, 250 respondent, as you can see. And we have our age, we have our research skill, we have our sex, we have our data representation of questions from 1 to 5. We have our mean, we have our interpretation, and we have our equivalent. So first things first, you need to do is to get the frequency and the percentage of sex. As you can see here, we have 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. The representation of 1 is male, while the representation of 2 is female. So that's it. Let's get the frequency. First thing you need to do is equal frequency. Select all, select the frequency, select all of the sex in the column of sex, of course. Select all of the numbers, columns of sex. Yan, select lang natin. And then, after this, we'll have to go back to top, of course. And then, select comma, and then click 1 and 2, which is the representation of male and female. Yeah. And then, close parenthesis, and click. And then you'll have that. And for our percentage naman, just click the equal sign, click the parenthesis, open parenthesis, divide it, your frequency, first frequency, divide it from the number of the respondents, which is 250. And then you're gonna multiply it to 100. And then you're just gonna drag it to get the rest. Next thing is you're gonna get the total or the sum of the frequency of the two frequency of male and female. So you're gonna put sum, double tap this one, and then just select your cells, and then click. You have that. And then just drag it to the right to get also the sum of percentage. Ganun. Okay. So next thing is, now that we're done with sex, we're gonna go to the age naman. Sa frequency naman ng age, ganun lang din. Equal sign, frequency. Data array ng sex is, syempre, ay, ng age, sorry. I-click mo lang lahat ng nasa column niya. Column ng sex. I mean ng age, sorry. Yan. Yan. And then, punta ka uli, comma, punta ka uli sa, ano mo, and then just click this one, all of this. Lahat yan, i-click mo yan, kasi kailangan, para makuha mo yung frequency mo. And then just click it, then lalabas na yan. And then for the percentage, again, you're just gonna repeat what you did earlier, which is the equal sign, the first frequency, divided by the number of the respondents, which is the 250, and then you're gonna multiply it to 100. And then you're gonna get 16.8. And then just drag it, like we did earlier. And then, for this one naman, for the total, you're just gonna get the sum again. Sum. Just drag all of it. And then, click nyo lang. And then, dito na. Okay. So after doing that, after getting the age and the frequency and the percentage of age, we're done with that. We're just gonna get the mean. We're just gonna go and get the mean. So just click the formula bar and then click average. I mean input average. Click it. And then input nyo lang lahat ng nasa row niya. Tama, ng nasa row niya. And then close parenthesis. Then you will get all of your mean and then just drag it para makompleto natin yung 250 respondents natin. Okay. Yeah. Now that we got all of our mean na, kukunin na natin yung weighted mean natin. Okay. Ang haba. Okay. Yan. Ang weighted mean natin is equal, average lang ulit. Tapos, select mo lang lahat ng mean mo para makuha mo yung weighted mean mo. So, select. Okay, nagkamali na ako. Sorry. Average equal average. Yan. Sobrang haba. And then, select mo lang lahat yan. Hanggang dyan. And then, close parenthesis, and then click. Then, you will get 3.168. Yan. Kukuha mo na yan. And then, for the standard deviation, just click the formula bar, stdev.s. For you to get the standard deviations, sorry, mali na, so maling bar tayo. Dito, equal sign, stdev.s. Tapos, drag nyo lang uli lahat to. Ito mean natin. Wait lang. Paliitin ko lang. Okay. Ayaw niyang lumiit. Yan. Drag lang natin yan. Okay. Hanggang dyan lang. And then, yan. Close parenthesis. Then, click mo lang. And then, para makuha mo, or para maikarga mo siya in a decimal point of 2 lang, ganyan lang. Ganun. Punta ka sa home. Click mo yung general na yan. Click mo yung arrow pababa. Number format, number. Para maging 2 decimal places lang siya. Okay. Sorry. Masyado ko ata na-adjust. Next. Gagawin naman natin next is yung interpretation niya. Equals VLOOKUP. Lalabas agad yan. Click nyo lang yan. And then, click nyo yan si mean. And then, comma. And then, pupunta tayo dito sa ating, legend. Click mo lang lahat yan. And then, don't forget the dollar sign sa gitna. Kasi kapag hindi mo kakargahan yan, magkakaroon ng error ang results mo. Dollar sign. Ay, sorry. Wala. Dollar sign. Yan. After clicking that, put 2 and then true. And then, click. After that, now that you have your interpretation, you'll just drag them again para makuha yung rest. Yan. Ang bilis, di ba? Yan. Okay. Now that we have our interpretation na, we can now say that this interpretation is our what? Our research skill. So, ipipaste lang natin yan. Kinapi ko lang siya. Paano yung ginawa ko? Right-click and then copy. And then for copying it, do not what? Do not do the control V. Ang gawin mo, right-click mo yung i-right-click mo yung mouse mo and then punta ka sa paste options at ang pipiliin mo is yung values para mag-paste siya. Okay, hindi siya wait lang. Hindi lahat. Hindi pala na-click lahat, sorry. Okay, ito. Click natin lahat. Kamali na naman ako. Okay, so right-click, copy. Right-click mo to. Right-click mo lahat to. Yan. Select mo lahat yung cell mo na yan. And then, right-click. And then, click mo yan, yung values, paste options. And that is your interpret. And for your equivalent, we all know that your equivalent will be this one. Ganito lang para makuha yung equivalent mo. I-ano mo lang to, i-drag mo lang siya pa dito, pa right, and then you will get your equivalent. And that will be all. Tapos, i-drag mo na lang siya pababa para makuha mo yung equivalent ng bawat interpretation mo. Yeah. Ngayon, after getting that, everything is settled, everything is done, you're gonna make your own data analysis or your table. Data analysis is your, ang tawag doon? Descriptive statistics table. Descriptive statistics table. So, click mo lang yung okay. Tapos, may lalabas dyan. Oh, nawala. Ayan, naibalik ko na. So, click mo yung okay. Tapos, may lalabas dyan na ganito. Kapag may lumabas ng ganito, i-click mo lang si age. Ito, input range. Click mo si age. Magmula kay age, as in name na age. tapos RS skill, tapos drag mo yan pababa, lahat yan. Drag mo lang lahat yan pababa para makuha mo silang lahat. Yan. Tapos, yan. I-check mo lang yung labels in first row. Tapos, click mo yung output range. For your output range, wait lang,